What's going on, buddy? Soliaker here, and I've got the video of the craziness that happened down, which I thought was Palm Beach Gardens. It wasn't. It was North Palm Beach. So just a correction. Links will be in the description, all that good stuff. I do have a records request. It is put in. I will be getting all that. They don't have body cams, so I'll be only getting 911, CAD report, incident report type thing. And I will be making a formal complaint because it was complete chaos. But anyway, I was down in North Palm Beach, not Palm Beach Gardens like I thought I was. I was out fishing. Just to let you know, I was out fishing the night before this day happened, and the camera was a little bit overexposed. So you're going to have to give me a little slack on the video quality. I tried to correct it as best I could, so we're just going to get into it. But don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. If you haven't been entered into that Streamlight flashlight giveaway, I've got it right here. There's your Streamlight flashlight. This is what we're giving away. This was donated by Gary Pixley. I'll put his link in the description below, all that good stuff. And if you want to get entered, you must send me an email to thearmedfisherman@gmail.com. That gets you entered. When I hit 12,000 subscribers, I will be giving this away through a live stream, all that good stuff. This is not the first light I've given away. It's probably like the third or fourth that has been donated by Gary. So make sure you show some love to Gary. Go and just hit that little subscribe bell, or that button and that bell, and tell him Soliaker sent you. But other than that, I'm going to get out of here. Soliaker, deuces.
Here they come. They're coming. They're signal zero. They're freaking out. What up, everybody? How y'all doing? I'm out here in Palm Beach Gardens, and yeah, I heard a lot of sirens. I just got here, and I can't really see too much of the chat. I got my glasses on, but yeah, we're gonna keep this going live for a minute, and we'll see what's going on, because like I said, I heard a lot of sirens, a lot of chaos going on. But I'm just out here fishing, just enjoying the day. I gotta reel my line in real quick so this boat don't run it over. Hold on, everybody. yeah, like I said, I've been here probably about 10 minutes or so. I've been out here fishing, and I just heard a lot of sirens, and I'm really not sure what's up. I'm not sure where they're at. I thought I saw one or two pull in. But like I said, I don't really know what's going on. Just like I said, I'm out here fishing. But we'll keep this going live for just a minute. If nothing really happens, maybe it was just my paranoia. But if you would have heard it, it was a lot of sirens. Oh no! If you can see that right there, that's where he's at. He's coming through the grass right now. And yeah. They're coming, everybody. 100%. I'm just going to keep this live, and I'm going to keep it on my bag so you all can see what's going on. And we'll deal with that here in a second. Hold on, everybody. What's up, man? Hey, whoa, don't put your hand on your gun, man, dude. I'm not doing nothing to nobody. Look at your buddy. He's got his AR out. Look, dude, he's fucking... What's this guy's problem, dude? I'm not doing nothing. Dude, calm down, dude.
Relax.
No, tell him to relax, bro. He just racked his fucking... I'm not doing nothing to nobody. You're aggressive, sir.
Stop. He's not being aggressive.
He is being aggressive. He just racked it, and I have done nothing to nobody.
Stop.
You don't tell me
We get
what
a
to
call
do.
for somebody.
I don't care if somebody called.
Okay, that's great.
It's about his reaction and your reaction. Coming out here with your hand on your gun.
This is the way we're supposed to react.
No one's ever done this.
Dude,
it's my turn to talk.
Your turn, and your buddy over here with his helmet.
How would you expect us to react?
Come out here and talk to me like a friggin' human being.
Am I not
having a
conversation with you?
No, you didn't. You came out here and you made a very extreme gesture about your gun. And that's exactly what you did.
Exactly.
Oh yeah, what did I do to anybody? I said hi. I asked where this fishing pier was.
Are you going to monologue? You want to have a conversation?
Let's
He's
have
going to
this
monologue.
Come on.
He's videoing.
Let's have this conversation.
Are you trying to manufacture some sort of exploitable event?
No, I'm out here just fishing.
Okay, and we're just checking on a call that we got.
Okay, come out
and
here.
you're cool, so turn around, go fishing, do what you got to do.
This isn't going the way you expected it, is it?
Dude, I'm a law-abiding citizen.
That's great.
Dude, let NRA life member.
That's NRA, dude. Great. That's cool, man.
Congratulations! 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 Congratulations!
Hey, that's awesome.
Do I look like I want?
You came out here ready to shoot me, dude. You racked it like you were ready to shoot
Similarly
me.
to you, are I not?
Dude, my hands have been nowhere near my gun.
Similarly to you. It's a yes or no question.
Your hand was on your gun and you racked your bolt.
And that's how it's supposed to be.
You should have racked your bolt in the car and came out and talked to me like a human being until I was
You don't
aggressive.
get to dictate the tactics that I've been trained to respond with.
You know, it's the life of the substitute teacher. He's a fraud. Today he might be wearing gym shorts. Tomorrow he's speaking French or pretending to know how to run a bandsaw or God knows what.
That's not how this works. We're
Did
having a conversation.
you
Obviously, you're a
swear an
Second
oth?
Amendment auditor.
Did
You know
you
you're
swear
in
an
the right.
oath?
I know you're within the law. Stop proselytizing.
Did you swear an oath to?
We're not doing that today.
Then
I know
then
you're
you
all
need
right.
to stop
Go fishing.
shaking, dude.
Enjoy your
You need to
fishing.
calm
You have a good
down.
day.
You need to calm down. You need. What's your name?
Go back
I
and
need
go
to know.
fish. Have a
I need.
nice
I
time.
need
You
an
can call
incident.
dispatch and
I
get
want an incident report, please.
There will be no incident.
There is an incident report because there's a call
I
and
don't
you.
know where there is
I
none.
want an incident report, sir.
Then I need your name and number to put in the incident
There's
report.
no name and number. Because you got a phone call. I'll get it one way or the other, bud. Plain and simple. I want your name, and your name and badge number, please. You came out here friggin' crazy. And then we've got a couple more with a K9. For what? I'm just out here fishing, guys.
And you're still fishing, are you not?
Yeah, there's 5 of you. 3 of you are armed with AR-15s, and I've done nothing to nobody. Yeah, you're bothering me. You are bothering me. You got a canine ready to release him. Dude, are you kidding me? Yeah. That's not why you came out here. You guys came out here in an aggressive manner, period. Don't tell me what to do. You work for me. You do work. Who pays your salary? Who pays your salary? No, how do you put into a pot that you're taking out of a pot? Yeah, because we the people pay your salary, sir. That's how that works. And you came out here in such a... Your conversation could have been... You could have came out and talked to me like a human being, bro. Yeah. I do have a fishing license. Are you a commission officer?
I don't have to be a commission officer.
In the law, it does. 379.354 says a commission officer.
Okay. We need to see your fishing license and your ID.
Well, hold on. If you look into the law, it's your fishing license, ID, if it has a permit. Trust me, man, this ain't my first day, bro.
25 years, this has never happened before.
Hey, guess what, dude?
You have
Today's
to
your
react.
first day.
Permit. Trust me, man, this ain't my first day, bro. And if you want my fishing license, come get it. Come on. You gotta come get it. I'm not gonna help you. You're gonna come get it. You're telling me I have to give my fishing license. If he wants it, or you want it, or any one of y'all want it, I'm right here. My fishing license is right here. Come on out here. I'm not resisting about nothing. Under 901-151, I'm not even committing a crime. But if you want to check my fishing license, come on out here. Dude, you still have your hand on your gun, sir. Like, I'm not doing anything. What am I doing? If I was to put my hand on my gun, how would you treat me differently? I'm not trying to be aggressive. Thank you. Have a great day. God bless America. I still want that incident report, but I'll just call and get it right now. Pieces of garbage, dude.